Springtime, and you need something to take with you on a barbecue or to someone's house as a salad or as another piece, and you got to stay in ketosis. Well, today we've got your solution. It is a keto-friendly, creamy pesto vinaigrette that goes on top of a baby arugula salad with burrata cheese and roasted cherry tomatoes. Welcome to our kitchen and Keto with Kenny. So today we're going to make ourselves a nice little fresh spring salad. We're going to use some baby arugula. We're going to put some burrata cheese on it. We're going to roast some cherry tomatoes and get those really nice and set. And then we're going to put together a keto-friendly, creamy balsamic pesto vinaigrette. We are going to use a little balsamic vinegar just as a sprinkle over the top. You got to be really careful that you can't just drizzle all over. You're going to have to go really small on that so that you can get just a little bit of flavor on it, but not too much. You don't have to put it on there if you don't want. So here's what you're going to need. We're going to go a 2 to 3 serving salad. So there's not a whole bunch of us, and the more salad you make, so I'm just making it for us at the house. So we're going to go 2 to 3 servings. So you can double, you can triple, or you can even take it down smaller and make it a 1. It's a lot of work for a single salad, but 2 to 3, not too bad. So we're going to use a ½ ounce of basil leaves, a tablespoon of minced garlic, 2 tablespoons of walnuts. You can use pine nuts or brewer's yeast, other things in there just to make sure that you get it. We're going to use walnuts. You can then going to need 2 2/3 tablespoons of Parmesan cheese. We've got a grated mix, so we're going to blend that up. You're going to need a 1/4 of a lemon. We like to squeeze our lemons and freeze into cubes, so I'm using a small cube for that. A little salt and pepper to taste, a 1/4 cup of olive oil, and 1 tablespoon of red wine vinegar. That is our pesto. We're going to throw that all in together and mix it all up. For our salad, you're going to need 5 ounces of baby arugula, 2 cups of cherry tomatoes, 4 ounces of burrata cheese, little balsamic vinegar if you want to drizzle it on top. So let's get started. Before we get to work on our vinaigrette, let's get our tomatoes. So we're going to need to take a cup of tomatoes and we're going to just cut them in half. We're going to take those from that half, once we've got it all cut up, onto a sheet pan that I've already got with parchment paper. We're going to put a little olive oil spray on that parchment paper, then put those tomatoes cut side up, a little bit more spray of olive oil, and then a little bit of salt and pepper, and then put them into the oven. So let's get going on our creamy pesto vinaigrette. So we're going to take our set mix. We are going to take our Parmesan cheese, clove garlic. I've already got those measured out. We're just going to use a ½ ounce of basil, and then we're going to use our 2 tablespoons of walnuts. We've got our olive oil, 1/4 cup, tablespoon of red wine vinegar, and our lime. Lemon, not lime. Lime was the previous. If you've not subscribed, lime was our zesty lime bars. So this is lemon. So we're going to take and just dump this all in. All the garlic and all that Parmesan cheese. And that, place all of our basil in there. Dump our walnuts. Add our 1/4 cup of olive oil. I'm going to add our tablespoon of red wine vinegar. And can't forget our lemon juice. Got all mixed in. We'll grab the lid. Nice little easy, handy set. This is great too because I use it for whisking. If you've seen our keto ice cream, this is what we use to whisk up that. And I use it for mixing for some of our breads as well. It's got several different attachments, so I love it. clicks in, and we're just going to get loud for a little bit. Take that off and make sure we scrape down the sides. And if it's not moving enough and it's not getting more of a consistency of a dressing that you're looking for, see, ours is not quite there, you can add a little bit more olive oil, not too much, just to help make it into that creamy set. There, it's starting to look more like our dressing. Perfect. That's what we're looking for. Just a consistency, the nice drizzle on top, and get a taste and flavor of everything. So that means our tomatoes should be pretty close to being done. So let's take a look at those. Oh, yes, those are nice and ready. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and build our salad. So we've got our arugula, 5 ounces, just nice, ready to roll, baby arugula, so that it's little and small. We've got our 4 ounce, which is a ball of burrata cheese. We've got our dressing that's ready. And now we can put it together. So let's pull out our tomatoes. We'll set those back here to cool for a little bit. And the easy part is we're just going to take this 4 ounces and we're just going to start tearing it up. So we're just going to tear and place it into our salad. Make sure you get it all enough in there so that when we mix this up, every little bit gets a little bit of burrata cheese. And I'm just going to use my hands and just give the salad a little bit of mix in there all around. So now that we've got burrata cheese everywhere, we'll give that a little bit of a rinse. We're going to take our dressing. We're just going to kind of drizzle little bits around. We're going to go light on the dressing right now, so we still have a little bit left in there. Now for our roasted tomatoes. They look really nice, so we're just going to sprinkle those in. Actually, they're not going to sprinkle, so we're going to take a little bit of a spatula and just all in. Now we move that around a little bit. Oh, that looks really good. We're going to take just a little bit of our balsamic vinegar. Not too much, just a little bit. And we're just going to give it a little color. That's where we're doing. There we are. Let's give it a nice little taste. Since it's just me at the moment, just going right in there. The arugula, the creamy pesto dressing, that roasted tomato, and the burrata cheese mix so wonderfully. They are really delicious. Wonderful piece to take with you. Just sit at home and enjoy. Goes great with your lasagna, your keto lasagna, or some spaghetti noodles that we've got coming up. So if you haven't subscribed, please hit that like button, subscribe. That way you get notified as to our next recipes, what's coming up, and check out those that we have. Here's to health and happiness.